Pretty long train, man. It's still fucking coming. And yeah, the front of it was a while ago, man. Freight trains. Yeah, long ass train. And I still see it coming. Yeah, long. I mean, y'all had to see how long it was before I finally got my camera out to get it going type shit. Crazy how long these freight trains are. Somebody could jump on one of them things and take it somewhere else. Especially when it's coming through town like this, where it slows up a bit. I don't see no fucking box trucks or none of that open. What is that, y'all? I mean, this is the first time we saw a train go by like this. And the guys are doing real good. I'm stepping on their leash now, just because. I mean, they're pretty good. Kavik, lay down. Thank you, sir. Oh, there's a spot you can jump in. Run, 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 jump. Yeah, fuck all that. Y'all see me doing something like that with my rig? No, thank you. Bikes, as a kid, you can get, I mean, bikes, you go up there to like a little spot like that, and you pull your bike in with your legs, no problem. But shit, we ain't kids no more. Jose could probably do it. He talking about trying to jump on some trains. Yeah, I talked to him today, and he's about in Tallahassee. Yesterday or Sunday he did 20 miles, and I guess today's already did about 10, 15 or some shit he was saying. Talked to him, he stopped on the side of the road, resting. I said, good times, good times. He said the traffic was bad. But yeah, that's the train, yo. The train instead of the plane. And y'all see the lads are good. Yeah, I had somebody on a little Facebook try to talk crap about my dogs. But this is absolutely beautiful here. Oh man, the world is so good, y'all. Go out there and see that. Get off your couches, get from behind that computer screen, and get out of your mama's basements and go see this stuff here. It's absolutely awesome and breathtaking. God is good, y'all. Y'all remember that. He always is.